Daddy always says that I'm very curious. He doesn't really like it when he doesn't know where I am. But the door was open and I just wanted to take a quick look. The glass really looks funny and the light too. It looks so weird. Then I took a very close look at all of it. Later, I talked to the Syrian people. They explained exactly everything to me. They are really nice. And they said that it's all inside the glass, not just on it. At first, I thought it was glued to it or something like that. But Syrian said that they put it right into the glass. And they can put anything into glass. With a laser. Laser is such a small line and very bright. A little bit like a lamp. They can do this also in very big as the whole house. And they can put anything into glass, no matter what. Of course, I showed Bunny everything too, and he really liked it. Bunny is even more curious than me. And they can make the glass glitter and blink. Anyway, it really looks great. They said they can put my bunny into glass, or me and mommy or daddy as well. And where I put Bunny, they tested and showed it to all the people. And Milena showed me exactly how they do it. First, she took a photo of Bunny and the teddy bear. And then she put it into the computer. She was very nice too. Syrian also invented much of this as well. And it works very easy now. But in the beginning, they had to think a lot about everything and how it could work. And then we watched together how the laser works. That looks really amazing and it's very exciting. I could see it all in detail. You can get it all from Syrian to do it on your own. It's not much. And a lot of people come to Syrian and want to have this. They come from all over the world. Syrian also said that they build everything which you need to use it. And later she gave me Bunny in glass as a present. When I showed it to Daddy, he liked it so much too. He said that looks really beautiful. And he didn't even notice I was away for a while.
You really like it, Emilio, huh? Looks great. We can do this on ourselves now.